you broke, take your money.
What?
What should you tell when you are buying new? Be more careful, though you can find dinner. I know anybody pour my drink, I know anybody buy my dinner.
Aha, we finally made it. What are we doing right now?
Walking to get a tube.
Yep. So we're waiting on some other people, but we're trying to go get some tubes so we can take it in the park. And then we're gonna slide back and put it on the car and slide inside, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, them also nice.
That's a white people house. Look at that house over there. Bro, what do you do when you live over here?
Chill. Bro,
take
inside,
a boat.
you know the inside of that shit's probably like a castle.
The hell yeah.
So what I look at something about this?
They're RVs. They don't
No, the purple thing. Oh, dog
probably like a dog house or a bird house.
I ain't gonna lie though, it feels like I'm in another state.
Right?
It's just crazy. Walking up hills and freaking valleys.
Hey, what's up guys? So we're here. Get in.
What do you choose then?
You just want to get one where you sit in it and you're comfortable holding on to.
I'm not sure I remember if, I don't know. You're trying to get a tube for the spring.
I like this. Or not.
No, that one then this I see. This look good, yeah.
This one like big dumpling right there. Whip on the dumpling. Something like my dumpling right there.
But honestly, you make your dumpling then. Exactly. Me make mine like that. This soft. This soft.
I have a pump, so it doesn't matter.
Oh.
Too prepared. So we're trying to grab.
Too prepared. May I try feel? You know, I'll pick anyone because I can end up with. Probably this one. Yeah, I'm gonna get this one.
I'll lift them up right now. Get my little workout.
Okay. Mr. Strongman.
Alright, thank you.
Thank you. So this is called the world famous Rock Springs Bar and Grill. That's where you get your tube. I'm surrounded. Hot just cold water. So I'm just swinging so last chance tube. No rentals available in the park. Yes, we're in Apopka, Florida.
Usually you can't park between these spots.
We can't park.
Usually you can't block the driveway.
Mm-hmm.
You know? You gotta tell people stuff like that.
Oh, I'm not really give them the information, you know. I don't know what to say.
Documentary?
Oh.
Yes.
Yeah. Everyone's into that shit now.
Yeah, they just run and see with a camera. They're like, oh yeah, I can. So this is the line. This is the line of cars. This is not even the half yet. Wait, what that is?
That's it?
Yo, while I bug them we kill when we drive come down here.
You can do no.
Setting them balance. What's good, KK gang? So we're here at the Kelly's Park Spring. Yeah, so there's a limit to get into the park. It's up to 250 cars. More than 250 cars you can't get in. You have to come bright and early. We're there from 6:30 and the park open. The park opened at 8 and we got here at 6:30. And when we came here there was a lot of cars already. So yeah, that's how it is. It's a nice spring. It's Rock Springs. It's beautiful. Of course it's gonna be packed. of course everybody's gonna come out, and it's a Saturday morning. Why not? But when we said the line long, so we're waiting on a couple more friends. Some are not coming. Usually it's more than 5 away. Today is 5, but usually it's more than 5 away. But yeah, carry them are rolling. The line them long, let me say me can't show them. See it there? That's at the front of the line. Not even the front yet. The line go way around this, so. And we start right here, so. Yeah, the bug them. Kill a whole heap of bug while driving up here. We're in Apopka, Florida. We're like 3.5 hours away from home. And say me can't see the line. Wait till them carry past. Me show them the line. Bombard and sitting here bite me. I be a bug and sitting out here. See? Over there. Whole heap of bush and things, so bug and something they out here bite up people. I'll let me show you the line. This is the line. The line they're way up the road, which probably go get the tube them. Ian and him friend walk on up the Rock Springs. We're always here. We always come here. We come here whole heap of time. I mean, it always pack on a Saturdays, but it never so strict where you see the cops them out and I give out number. I guess probably something happened. What they are something weird. No, they're here giving out numbers, and you have to have a number to go in on one bag or something. Usually it wasn't like that. Everything was so nice. People out here play music in a them car and whatever, but no, you don't really hear that, you don't really see that. Everybody just a chill and just a wait for go in it. You know, I mean, it's still fun inside, but just to, you know, see that. So we're just here waiting. It's now 7:25, so we have 35 more minutes before we can get inside. I probably look dark and thing, but I just want, let me see if I can show you guys. I just want to show you guys the water before, because listen, a couple minutes from now in there go pack of people. So I'm gonna left everybody. I'm gonna come down here, be sure the water, how clear it is, how beautiful it is. This is just one section of it. This is just the calm area. See? Yeah, so water is clear, nice. Like, everybody's staring at me because I have a freaking camera in my hand. Like, you know, never see somebody with a camera and I see people vlog. Lord, then just a look. Let me say, I go to the other section and show you the next part. Hold on. Everybody coming in, everybody setting up. Everybody have them tube setting up. No flipping, no diving, no alcohol. No alcohol, really? We gonna see. We gonna see. Yes, I'm gonna go down them step here. I'm walking past these bushes and I'm hearing sounds and I'm by myself because I left everyone. Bro. Oh, I see a lifeguard. That's good. And it's dark. Usually when we come here, the sun is out, everything. It's dark. Raindrops and beatings. But make we go take a look. Yes, the water clear and nice. Damn, the rain will come down. This is the before everybody come and jump into the water and beatings. It's so beautiful. Like, I can't wait for get in. But me I wait for everybody first. You know? It just reminds me of the river. You know when you're there home, the river Jamaica. That's what it reminds me of. Reminds me of home. Yeah. But I'm gonna use my phone to vlog while I'm in the water for me to see where it leads to and everything. So let me go back to find the others. It's a long walk back, unfortunately. But let's go. Rain come down. I never come here into rain. Every time I come here, sun out. Hot, hot, hot. And my first time vlogging, it decides to rain. Bap, bap.
Fresh, don't fold.
Come on,
Are we ready?
let's ready go. Got me at the cup ready. Two of them ready.
Chug and we out.
Chug and we out. Look, my drink up, my cup almost done. Look there.
Where the key them in that chair?
Yeah. Oh, I'm bringing that because may I use that. May I left the camera though. Hey. Got the igloo over here, sir. Rain a fall, but I still have vlog. Look at them up. Corona them there under the bottom. Can't even reach them now. Fruits. Dragon fruit, mango. Oh, thank you. But just as I can't reach the corona them right now. Breadfruit. Put this under your stuff.
No, turn around, man. Turn around. I'm going to go like this.
What's your one day? You're good like that? Really? Oh, this feels good.
I brought scorpion.
I'm going bush. Bush, yeah, bush. Take me out of the bush.
Right now. No. Listen.
Yeah, Krissy both is fresh. Oh, shit, Krissy, watch out.
Boy, and what kind of driver this will what's your in a circle with it now? A circle. Bro.
Trust me.
Yeah, I need my
The camera.
Oh, shit. Yeah, watch your rock on your back. Watch your rock on your back. Yeah. Oh! I didn't see that. Another one.
Where?
No, get no time. Push them up.
Yeah, my baby is that Hold up on my foot.
Hey, Michael Jackson.
Bomba! Limbo.
Are you good?
Limbo.
Okay.
Hey, look where you're going now. Watch your phone.
Listen, you're driving a trailer right now.
Right?
You gotta control the whole thing.
Yo. This is Rock Spring.
This is probably nicer than having the sun out.
Right? We have more fun. This is Rock Spring. Jeez, I'm looking full of leaf.
I feel like I'm in
Just
Jamaica.
know
right
what
now.
say. You're going to lick up in a one bag of rock.
Why don't you get us a leaf?
Yeah.
Yo,
Hold on. Damn.
I can't control 3 2 on here.
Yo, Drizzle, what is my youth?
This brother is supposed to be. Wait, you're supposed to be driving.
I am driving.
Yeah, you crashing us over here.
Hey.
Yo, crocodile.
Yo, stop, that's all 3 dogs.
Right there, sir. Look, right there, sir.
Stop in the
Look right there, sir.
Wow.
It's just a log.
Oh, it's a log. All right.
It's a log. Ian, don't fuck
Turn up.
Right? Him love ramp.
Yo, turn up the music on my youth.
Music.
Yeah, watch yourself over there, sir.
Ian, paddle over there, sir.
Watch out now, stop everybody.
Ian, don't stop. Hey, balance pan it, balance pan it. I think they don't even know this stuff. Really? 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 Really?
You wild, bro.
You tripping right now.
Get a crocodile upset. What if a crocodile grab me now? Now, seriously?
No, we'll let you go.
Yeah, when I put my foot, my shoes are drop off. Thank you. Hold on, put my foot.
I'm good. We not stop halfway or not go the whole thing.
Music!
Yo, DJ, what I going?
Alexa, play. Shit.
You couldn't make me do one trip, don't you?
Right? One trip. Wait, him look fakey.
That's a crane.
When name?
Alligators are over there.
That's a crane.
So that means the alligator over there?
I'm so cold. Oh, shit. Going wrong.
Oh shit.
Try to help steer. $5 hour? Yeah, like, damn, I'm in this rain. What?
Too far. Krissy, help.
Shit. Alright.
I got you. No, don't go. I got you. Just hold on.
Right?
Yo, I didn't get that off here.
Always here. Always here. Look on it.
See how your hair white?
You white? Come after dip on that water. So there you go. Made it to the bridge.
Wow.
See, when I tell you, you see all these people, them out already. I mean, it's not a lot because rain and fall and a whole heap of people, but people still out. Rain and fall and people still out. Alright, let me try to come out of this.
Go down, so we go back.
Oh,
Where nobody goes right
green
now.
as fuck.
Where my ghost rider is at?
Right here.
Right, I'm ghost riding my own whip right now.
Right?
Baby, where you going? You going on my down?
Your wife said we are going to long way, man. Hey, I'm not at work,
Pitch that. Baby. Let me record the ass.
Hold on, Mom. Oh,
You ever drop
I wasn't born yesterday.
Yeah, look on there. The girl looks guilty. Watch her.
She didn't have that guilty look.
Right? Then look up in the water. Choose school lock them in the water. Stop it!
oh, see alligator right there.
If there was alligator in the water, you would not be that calm.
Right?
So Spanish Town rock, man.
How much you drink already, sir? I don't know, something.
Spanish Town in the apopka.
Spanish town in the apopka? Really?
Oh my gosh, look how pretty that is. What? That flower right
That's for your wife.
The purple one, man? Oh, that one. Oh, yeah. That's
You want me to go all the way up?
Yo, Ian,
Go get them flowers.
Ian, take a picture of that.
I want to.
He's so pretty. You pick it? No fucks.
Put on next to the
Cute.
grill.
Yeah, that one I did. Such a gentleman. Oh my gosh, it's gross. Ian, smell that. Smell it. Ian, smell that.
It smells like something could
Smell
eat.
that. Smells like lemongrass.
Yeah. Can boil this.
Right? Alright, maybe not, boys.
Right?
Just
smell it.
Want it?
Yeah, because I gave the smell.
We're just letting you smell it, that's all. You can hand it back now.
I grew up in a place called Ensom City. I grew up in Ensom City. I don't know about you. I mean, you used to go to school, but you never grew up there.
Sorry, guys.
Is it closed off down there? Well, you can either walk back or you can come against. Oh, but it's still open, right? Yeah. Okay, thank you.
At least one person this time.
Water lily.
Water lily. We made it to the end. Woo!
Don't lose it on
Probably can't go in the water, bro. It's a Samsung.
I'm sorry, what? I'm sorry, what now? Don't mistake it for your iPhone.
Every time we need to have this iPhone,
We have this debate.
This is where it all ends. It wasn't that long. So it was long.
I'll be repeating it.
Say it long. That was long. Do you know how long without this so long? It was 10 minutes. Nah, that's like 15, 20 minutes. Yo, you remember when we were just like in that water? Oh, yeah.
Listen how the Bluetooth chip on.
Fire up and running.
The breadfruit I'm kind of
I know I right there put the breadfruit on the grill. Fire, please.
Breadfruit and corn on the grill. Snacks them are coming in. Breadfruit this.
Breadfruit on the grill right now. You in Walmart?
Damn. You know how long I eat bread?
Alright, cool. You can transfer it.
I mean, that good. Popcorn good.
Yeah, I'll listen to Cardi.
10-second rule. There's a corn and jerk chicken.
A breadfruit there. Little bit of everything. Little bit of everything. Corn. Oh shit. Wait, why are you doing it on the... No.
Grey goose and what? Cranberry juice. Whoop, whoop, whoop. A toast.
Give God thanks for life.
For good friends.
For the safe drive up, for good friends, for good times. For the trying to hold us back.
Amen.
We're gonna get them.
Amen.
Let's go.
Amen.
Push it in her, kitty feel dinner. Be a winner, happy get slimmer. Tell me a sinner pull her up to the brimmer. How the black in my bend, boom, boom, finger.
Chicken.
Me a right like this, belly crab, chili could serve slow, wine, don't make it come yet, hold tight. Don't make it come yet, ride it. Hold on for me balls, them wine till the balls come in a your pretty basket.
Anybody ready to eat?
Wings up and running.
Yep. Ian, go, go, go. You can see under there. It's pretty. It's going in again. Yeah.
I got
Yo, Ian. Watch my try swim against the current. Yo, Everton. Yo, how far you get a while ago? How far you get a while ago?